There are places we have.
This law is Money Laundering Prohibition Act 2011 as amended, and this law is not against what you do. The law wants to protect you from being used by money launderers and terrorist financiers. The money launderers, the criminals, will import vehicles. They will buy this vehicle for 5 million. And when they ship them to Nigeria, they are ready to sell them at 4 million. If everybody patronize this criminal market, and they all buy their vehicle using the criminal market, what happens to the legitimate private businessman?
Because we won't take it lightly. They have to comply with the Money Laundering Act. Make sure they send all reports. Once there's any transaction of 5 million from an individual, you have to report to SCUML. And once you have a 10 million transaction from a corporate body, we also expect a report from SCUML. You have to do that report within 7 days.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.